Can you believe it? It's been 7 months since the last big Google Core update, but December's 2020 Core update has now just been rolled out. This is the third Core update of 2020. So Google's Core updates can affect the ranking of your site. So knowing when these things happen can help you identify fluctuations in your own rankings. The main impact of this update was felt on December the 4th, but it does normally take a couple of weeks for the update to fully roll out. Several search data companies have indicated that this appears to be a larger than usual update, and it seems to be affecting the top 3 rankings the most. So we may not know the full impact of this update for a couple of weeks, so keep an eye on your rankings for any changes. Don't forget to get these updates straight to your inbox. Subscribe using the link in the description.